I understand how frustrating it may be to have 0 views and 0 subscribers on your channel. Remember, you're just getting started, and no one knows who you are or what type of content you create. You've spent all of your time planning, scripting, filming, and editing videos, and you're ecstatic. You put it on YouTube, but just a few people see it. I remember when I had 0 subscribers and I would publish a video and check my view count on my videos on an hourly basis. So I understand what it's like to start from scratch. So, how are you going to grow your subscribers and view count? So now I'm going to reveal 5 secret tips to you guys. If I were to start all over again, growing with 0 audiences, are you ready? Let's go. YouTube secret number 1. Using compelling titles. One of the most common mistakes you can make as a YouTuber is to use boring titles. Yes, there are YouTubers with dull titles who have millions and millions of followers. But for most individuals who start with 0 audiences, you want to have interesting titles for your videos, since people are searching for new content regularly. So as an example, let me show you how to, because people go to YouTube to learn how to do something. How to is always a very powerful and effective keyword in your title. My how-to videos outperform all other types of videos. So YouTube has a huge category of how-to videos. You may also use a variant of it, such as, how do I? For instance, how do I make my videos without filming anything? This type of video is beneficial because your viewers know exactly what they are going to get before they even click on it. When your channel is small, when you have 0 views and 0 subscribers, why not concentrate on a topic that people are already looking for? Using how-to, warning tag contents, right? Using such proven titles. You'll grow considerably faster this way. YouTube secret number 2. Create a YouTube channel trailer. So you've had a first-time visitor to your channel's homepage. They might click on it and learn more about your channel. So tell them who you are, what you're about, how frequently you upload, why they should subscribe, and exactly what you want them to do in your trailer. And don't forget to tell them exactly what you want them to do. Don't assume they'll subscribe because you have good videos. No, you have to tell them, so tell them, hey, click the tiny red button here to subscribe, or hey, hit the button there, subscribe to my YouTube channel today. Also, make sure you ring the bell to turn on the notifications. You must direct their actions. YouTube secret number 3. Instead of focusing on your content, focus on your audience. One of the most common mistakes that YouTubers make is producing videos that they want to produce rather than focusing on their viewers' wants and needs. It's easy to forget that there's another person behind success. Always connect with your followers, answering their questions and responding to their remarks. It makes a huge impact. Another amazing thing you might do as a YouTuber, offers a heart and like your fans' comments. To notify them, and when you do so, your fan who made a remark will receive notification on your action, which will lead to an increase in your view and subscriber count. YouTube secret number 4. Include a call to action, is also known as CT, in your video. You must make it clear to your audience what you want them to do. Do you want them to share your video, give you a thumbs up, or leave a comment in your video? You must specify what you want them to perform. Never, ever make an assumption. You see, when I started urging my viewers, you to click on the button below and subscribe to my channel, I observed a huge increase in the number of subscribers that I received. A call to action can be inserted in a variety of ways. You can do this before, during, or after the video. Of course, don't overdo it. You don't want to do it 3 or 4 times. That's overkill. It is critical that you request that they enable notifications. It implies that every time you release a new video, there's a possibility it'll be on their YouTube homepage as well as subscribers' feed. As a result, people are more inclined to watch your video. YouTube secret number 5. With long-term consistency, you can overcome short-term endeavors. Most YouTubers, in my opinion, give up too soon. They post a few videos or a dozen videos, and then give up because they think to themselves, no one is watching my video, I'm not getting enough views, no likes, or so on. I put quite a lot of effort into my videos. I understand how you feel when you publish a video and spend all that time making that ideal content, but with no views, but you have to be consistent. You must consider this a long-term endeavor. I can still remember what it took me months to achieve, and now I can get it in hours. I guarantee that if you upload twice a week instead of 1, your channel will develop quicker. Your channel will develop even quicker if you upload 3 times each week instead of 2. My channel skyrocketed the moment I committed to a daily upload. Now, I'm not suggesting you have to publish a new video every day, but it does work. Do it for the long haul. Consider this a long-term game. You're making an investment in creating an asset. You're constructing a platform. It is completely worthwhile. So there you have it. The 5 key tips to growing with 0 views and 0 subscribers. I have so many more tips I want to share with you. So please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to turn on the notification. I hope you found this video informative and thank you for viewing it. And I wish you all the best till the next time.